In this video, you'll learn how to take a plain text section already on your page and turn it into a richer, more interactive section. Bullets, tabs, an accordion, flip cards, a slideshow, or a quiz, without rewriting a word yourself. Most courses start life as paragraphs. Paragraphs are easy to draft, but they're not always the best way for a learner to absorb the material. The same content presented as tabs, an accordion, or a slideshow lands very differently. It chunks the information, paces the read, and gives the learner something to do. The AI section transformer does that conversion for you. Pick a text section, choose the format you want, and CourseAgent rewrites and restructures it into the new section, keeping the meaning, the tone, and the course context intact. Open any page that has a text section on it. Hover the section. On the right-hand side, alongside the standard edit, delete, comment, and duplicate icons, you'll see a green AI sparkle labeled Transform with AI. That's the entry point. Click it. The first thing the dialog asks, what do you want to do with the original? Keep original and create new, leaves your text section exactly as it is, and inserts the transform version directly after it. Use this when you want to compare, or when the text and the interactive view will both live on the page. Replace this section. The transformed section takes the place of the original. Use this when the new format is just a better way to present the same idea. Click Next, transform your text into, and the target section types appear. Bullets. Break the prose into scannable points. Image and text. Pair a generated image with a tightened version of the copy. Accordion. Collapse the content into expandable panels for self-paced reveal. Tabs. Split the content across labeled tabs the learner switches between. Flip cards. Front of card prompt, back of card detail. Good for term and definition or claim and evidence. Slideshow. Sequence the content across slides, optionally with AI-generated images. Quiz. Convert the content into a question. Pick the one that matches how you want learners to interact with the idea, not just read it. Click Next. Most section types have a style variant. Tabs has top tabs and side tabs. Accordion has its visual variants. Flip cards has its flip styles. The variant only affects the look. The AI generates the same content underneath. Pick the one that fits your course design and click Next. The final dialog pulls everything together. What should this section cover is pre-filled with your original text. Edit it if you want to steer the rewrite. Add a focus, narrow the angle, or mention a subpoint you want emphasized. Leave it as is to transform what's already there. Generate images with AI for section types that support visuals, an optional toggle. When you switch it on, image generation takes longer. Expect 15 to 30 seconds per item when images are enabled. The item count also drops to keep generation quality high and the weight reasonable. How many items, the number of tabs, slides, cards, or accordion panels. The same course parameters block applies here too. Target audience, writing tone, prior knowledge, geographic focus. Click Edit Parameters to nudge any of them in line. Click Generate Section. A full content preview appears in the same dialog. The section title, an overview line, and each item with its heading and body, exactly as it will render. Read it through. Not quite right? Click Regenerate for a fresh pass. Happy with it? Click Use this section. The dialog closes and the new section is live in the page at full fidelity with your course's color scheme, typography, and any AI-generated imagery rendered in the actual layout. If you chose Keep Original, the original text section is still above it. If you chose Replace, the original is gone and the new section sits in its slot. From here, it behaves like any other section. Edit any item in line, swap an image, change the variant, or transform it again into a different format. One text section, endless ways to present it. Pick the format that serves the learner, not just the page. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.